welcome to Universal Stella Nova Resort.
It is the very first night. It is the grand opening.
Yes. So we're the first guest to stay in this room.
Hopefully.
Unless maybe there was a friends and family event before.
Maybe that.
But this purpose of this video is to give you a view into the resort to see if this is something that you would be interested in. And we are filming this a little bit out of order. So we've already experienced the resort. And we didn't experience the pool because it's been raining, as you'll see in the footage.
Yeah.
But we're gonna get started and show you around from the lobby, the dining, the pool, poolside bar. We're gonna show a little bit of that. This resort is in very close proximity to the new Epic Universe.
I feel like walking distance.
Yeah.
I'm sure there's going to be a walking path eventually.
We're hoping that there will be a walking path. And you will see in a little bit that you can see out the window of this room. So we're going to take you from the entrance all the way through the lobby. So let's go and show you around. This is brought to you by TJ with Start Stuff Travel. So if you want a quote on staying here, there is a link down below where you can fill out a form, and TJ will get back to you if you want to plan your Epic Universe trip. Right here, and stay right here at Stella Nova. Let's go.
Yeah. Here we have the Stella Nova Market where you get just your basic snacks, and then you can get your Starbucks coffee here. And then they also have bottled water. They also have some somewhat frozen, like packaged items like salads and sandwiches, fruit and things like that.
We are in the Cosmos Cafe. This is one of two dining options here at Stella Nova, and really the second option, which is the Galaxy Grill. It's an outside pickup window. They share the same kitchen, so it's all coming from the same kitchen. We ordered three things here. The first one being the very cheesy mac and cheese. We ordered the side portion, which is $7, and then they have a kids portion, which is $10. But our side portion was pretty big, so I'm not sure about that. But pro tip, just get the side and cut to $3. I have a feeling that will change soon. We ordered the pickled fried chicken sandwich, and it has crispy chicken thigh, crunchy coleslaw, pickles, cosmic sauce on a brioche bun. It is, they do have a gluten-free option available, and we could pick our side, I think, between a salad and fries, and we picked the fries. This was actually pretty tasty. It was nicely battered, it has a good crunch on the outside, and the chicken was tender. So actually, I thought it was pretty good. My expectations for the kind of the quick service dining, pretty low, and both the mac and cheese was good, as well as that chicken sandwich. The third thing we ordered is the pig in the blanket. It's an all beef hot dog, glazed with yellow mustard, and wrapped in puff pastry. I thought it actually was pretty good. The pastry was maybe slightly undercooked, but you don't want it too overcooked. But it was slightly undercooked. And I thought the hot dog had nice flavor. I don't know if I would order that one again. I think I would recommend the mac and cheese, and I would recommend the sandwich for sure as well if you're going to be dining here during your stay. I'm sure they have breakfast. We're just going to be covering lunch. I'm guessing their lunch and their dinner menu is the same. It is not a huge dining area. It is, I would say, a smaller quick service location, but I like the theming in here. It gives the space vibes. So definitely come and check this out when you're staying here. Welcome to our room here at Universal Stella Nova Resort. We are in room 9012, 9012 if you will, and this is the top floor, so 9 stories high, and there, I believe, are really two kind of main categories. There is either standard view or there is pool view. We have a standard, so the pool view costs more money, I believe, but a lot of the standard views have a view of Epic Universe. So pretty cool. We can see the park from the window here. Our straight on shot is of the parking lot, but if you go out to the window and you don't have to turn your head too much, you can see the park. So that is pretty cool if you're looking for that theme park view. This is 2 queens. I don't believe if they have any kings. It's very few, but that category, I did not see that category. So you're probably looking at 2 queen beds here. But as you come in, you have a closet that has all your standard amenities. And then you enter the bathroom area where you have a walk-in shower and the commode that has a door that separates it from the vanity. The vanity is a single sink vanity. And then you'll come into the sleeping area, the room area where I'm at now, and like I said, 2 queen beds. You have a refrigerator. You also have a Cuisinart coffee machine, and they do give you some coffee packs. Ice bucket. Then you have a dresser that has 4 drawers. You have a TV. It looks to me to be about maybe like a 55-inch TV. It's a decent size for the room. You have a couch. The couch is pretty cool. I like the way that the fabric continues all the way across over to the dresser. It makes the couch look very elongated and probably makes the room seem bigger too. There's a little end table there as well, which kind of performs as a task table. If you want to pull out a laptop, it's the perfect size for that. And then you have our kind of oval-shaped window that gives us our view, and I already talked about the view. And then behind me, you'll see over the beds is a mural of the galaxy, and that supposedly I think is photography from NASA that they've used for that. They have some nice lighting features and nice touches with the lighting here as well. And then plenty of outlets. So there's outlets at the nightstand, both USB and USB-C, plus you have your standard North American plugs. And then over on the dresser, you have the same thing. It pops up, and you have those same set of plugs, some additional ones there as well. You also have pretty easy access to the HDMI plugins for the TV. The TV does come pull away from the wall, so you can get back there. So if you have someone bringing a game system, you can plug that in and it shouldn't be an issue for you. Overall, I really like the room here. You know, it feels like a standard room, but a little bit elevated. Probably the fact that it's brand new, like nobody has slept in here, I don't think, unless they've had some preview or friends and family nights. It is a brand new, there's no scuffs on anything, so it is fresh. Overall, I think that the rooms here at Universal Property, those value resorts, they just give you so much value. So, and this room it feels, you know, that nice touch of modern, and it doesn't feel like a room that was, for us, this specific night was only $113, I think, with a Florida resident or an annual pass rate. It feels like it should be worth more than that. I think it was $130 after taxes. You do have to pay $30 for parking, just keep that in mind. But if you're traveling from out of state and flying in, that probably won't matter to you as much, that parking fee. But just keep the parking fee in mind if you're driving in.
We are here outside at the pool, and as you can see, this is a pretty massive pool for a hotel this size. It has to be. And then if you pan this way, there's plenty of chairs, so I don't think you're gonna be struggling to find a chair out here at all. And then if you look over this way, you see the hot tub, and that is a pretty substantially sized hot tub. Like, I'm pretty impressed with that size. And then also this way is both the Galaxy Bar and Galaxy Grill. Galaxy Grill is that way, but I do believe that is a pickup window where you'll pick up food to go and then you can eat it out here. But eventually we're gonna head over to Galaxy Bar and get something to drink because we looked at the menu and it looks pretty interesting.
They have a Universal Studios store in the lobby of Stella Nova, and they've broken it up into the different universes or worlds that are inside the park. So you're going to find Super Nintendo World, you're going to find Harry Potter, How to Train Your Dragon, etc. And they have a section dedicated to just Epic Universe itself. They do have an arcade. It's a smaller arcade. It's just off the lobby. And of course they have a fitness center. The fitness center is open from 5 a.m. to 10 p.m.
All right, so that's a wrap. There's actually quite a bit to do here. I'm pretty impressed.
Yeah, I thought that the food was actually pretty good that we had. And TJ's drink was my favorite out at the pool bar.
Oh, yes.
The problem with this is though that it's not sunny or hot.
Yeah, it's not summer just yet.
And those drinks were definitely designed for sitting poolside.
Absolutely.
So we didn't have anything like whiskey or old fashioned wise that were probably would be better suited
for a much cooler night.
For this cooler weather and rainy. It's randomly raining here in January.
Yeah.
But thank you for joining us. And remember, this is brought to you by TJ with Star Stuff Travel. So if you do want to book, there's that link down below. And if you have questions, put them in the comments.
Yeah, feel free to reach out to us. Like and subscribe. And thank you again to our Patreon members.
Yes. And we will see you guys next time right here.